Oh, ho, ho, Merry Christmas to those who celebrate Christmas. Look, I've just made this incredible bake as part of the cook along series of the Veets Cuisine cookbook, and it's on page 72. And shoot, the filming went wrong. Actually, I didn't get too upset about it, so here I am with a different solution. And just before I start telling you about this incredible, yummy, yummy bake, I want to tell you, I just want to do a shout out to my gorgeous, gorgeous niece, Dulcie. She taught me the word shoot. When things go wrong, you say shoot. And she is just the most beautiful, darling girl I know right now. And I feel honored and blessed that I am her auntie. And her name is Dulcie, and that means sweet. And she's sweet. Okay, so let's get back to the bake. Oh, hello, Dulcie. Hello, 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 Dulcie. Okay, now let's get back to the bake. Um, in the book it says to use almond milk, but I want to up the protein, so I've put in soy milk, and I made a cauliflower bechamel with the soy milk, and instead of putting in nutritional yeast, I put in pepita sprinkle, and then made that, layered it with onions, and I added more potato than the recipe says, and I'm going to put all the variations down below. And you need to make it, because this Christmas, when everyone is eating meat, take along this, and I bet you they'll go for this more than the meat, because it is delissimo. We'll have a delissimo Christmas, everybody. And please like, share, and subscribe, because I need more followers and more comments. Comment, comment, comment. Thank you for watching me so far this year. And I will see you in 2024. Or if you're watching this in 2024, I'll see you next week. All right, lots of love. Bye bye.